If you're experiencing crashing issues with FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify common causes and implement solutions. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. Visit the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's capabilities. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can lead to crashes. Go to the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're reusing a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Sometimes, high settings can overwhelm your system, especially if it is not equipped to handle them. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This can help free up memory and processing power for FIFA 24, reducing the likelihood of crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to technical support for further assistance.